In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method for contractors using direct deposit. Managing payroll efficiently is crucial for any business, and ensuring that your contractors are paid accurately and on time is a fundamental component of that process. Today, we'll walk you through the straightforward steps to enter bank information so that you can seamlessly facilitate direct deposits to your contractors. First, log into your payroll system. Navigation might vary slightly depending on the software you're using, but generally you'll want to start by locating the Contractors section. This is typically found in the main dashboard or under a payroll tab. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your current contractors. Find the specific contractor for whom you'd like to set up direct deposit and click on their name to access their payment settings. After selecting your contractor, you'll see various options related to their payment details. Look for an option like Payment Method or Bank Details. Click on this option to proceed. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the contractor's bank information, which will enable direct deposit. It's essential to have this information thoroughly checked and confirmed before proceeding to ensure accuracy and avoid any potential payment issues. You'll need the contractor's bank account number and routing number. It's a good practice to have the contractor provide this information themselves or verify it against a document they've provided, such as a voided check. Enter the bank account number carefully and double check before moving on, because even a small mistake can lead to payment errors. After this, input the routing number, which identifies the bank where the account is held. This number is typically 9 digits long. Once you've input both the account and routing numbers, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Cross-reference these numbers with the information from the contractor to ensure there are no discrepancies. This verification step is crucial because incorrect information could delay payments or send funds to the wrong account. Depending on the system you're using, you may have the option to add a nickname to the bank account for easier reference in the future. If this option is available and useful for your organization, feel free to use it to help you easily identify the payment method later on. Once you feel confident in the accuracy of all entered information, you can save these details to activate direct deposit. Look for a confirmation message from your payroll system indicating that the bank information has been successfully updated. And that's it. You've successfully set up direct deposit for your contractor. This streamlined process not only ensures that your contractor is paid efficiently, but also helps in maintaining an organized payroll system. Remember, keeping your payment records up to date and accurate is instrumental in building a good working relationship with your contractors. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has made the task of setting up a payment method for your contractors just a bit easier.